Hello guys, good morning. We're now here in Grand Meadows. Phase 1, 2, 4 is nandito lang po ito sa area ng Barangay Aguila, San Jose, Batangas. So ito yung labas po ng subdivision. Malapit lang po yung church. Ayan po. So let's go there po sa model units. Ayan, puntahan po natin guys. Okay. Ayan po. So, dito po, ang itatayo po dito is Tangerine, yung mga model house po. Tangerine, Jasmine, Linnea, and Adeline. So, sobrang init. Ayan po. So, ito yun. So, guys, inuulit ko, phase 1 to 4 is located po ito sa Barangay Aguila, San Jose, Batangas, and the other one, yung phase 5 is located naman po sa Barangay Kalansayan, San Jose, Batangas. So ito na po yung Tangerine, which is yung row house unit po. So dun sa row house po is meron po tayong duplex, single attached, row house inner, and row house end unit. So ito po guys. Ayan. Okay. So, sa gawing left side, yun yung phase 3. Nandun po yung Jasmine and Adeline model unit. Over there po. And still, construction in progress pa rin po ang project na ito guys. Hello sir! Good morning! Say hi to my vlog sir! Si Sir Ivano po ang security officer po dito ng Angsia. Sir, can we just go to ano po, yung model na house ng Tangerine? Doon po sa may dulo, no? So, papasok po tayo sa model house po ng Tangerine. Para makita niyo po guys, yung turnover unit. Kasi ang deliverable bare inner unit guys is, so ito na po yun. Ayan. Ito po yung sa labas. Okay. So, yung property line po nito, sa likod po, meron pa po siyang, ang size po niya is yung lawak po is nasa 4 meters. And then, yung from back to front, meron pong 7.35 meters. And guys, ito po is lot area po niya is 45 SQM and the floor area niya is 32 SQM. So, ito po yung deliverable bare type unit ng Tangerine. So, ito guys, look. Okay, ready na po yung mga electrical wirings here and the wall is painted. Ayan. And ito pong ayan, semento naman po siya. Ayan po. Ito yung service area here outside. We have some space pa po. And the toilet and bath. So, ayan po guys. May lavatory. Ayan. Okay. So, this is row house type of unit. Ayan po. Okay. Ayan po guys. So look. So ayan po. May provision for living and dining area, of course bedroom. And yung nasa likod, yun yung service area na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. And of course, yung kitchen area. Okay. Guys, for those who are interested, just direct message to my FB account, Mel Almenanza. Okay guys, we'll see you later. Yung ibang unit po na Jasmine, Linnea, and the Adeline house type po. Okay? Okay, see you in a bit.